Hello friends, good morning. Welcome back to ASTRA 2022 program presented by AKKA IAS Academy. In this particular video, I'll be dealing with few of the basic concepts related to calendars. Okay, let's begin. So calendars. So in exam, what particular kind of question you will be expecting based upon calendars is, if at all they'll give a day, okay, a particular date they will be giving. For example, see here, which day of the week was, say, 2nd May 1921. Okay, the date has been given here and they are asking to find the day, okay, whether it is Monday, Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like that. Okay, if at all other kind of question what you will be expecting is they'll be giving day here, okay, that's 5th day, 5th Monday or 5th Tuesday of that particular year, and what is the date they'll be giving here. Okay, so to solve this you need to understand few of the basic concepts here. Okay, so here let's begin. First you need to understand there are two types of years, okay, an ordinary year and a leap year. See, ordinary year and leap year. Ordinary and a leap year. Okay, so what is ordinary year and what is leap year? Actually, see guys, actually in a year how many days are there? Usually 365 days are there. Okay, so if at all it's a leap year, then one day will be added. Okay, February will be having 29 days, so 366 days will be there in a leap year. So this is known as ordinary year and leap year. See, for example, say let us consider an example, year 2019. Okay, so how you will be finding whether this is an ordinary year or leap year? Take the last two digits of that particular year. Okay, 19 is there. Okay, so 19 you'll be writing, and every 4 year once leap year occurs. Okay, so if at all this 19, whether it goes by 4, check here. Okay, it doesn't go by 4, right? So then 2019 is a ordinary year. It's a ordinary year. So in 2019 there will be 365 days. Okay, see, I'll be taking one more example. Let us take 2020. So last two digits. Okay, 20 is there. If at all it goes by 4, yes, it goes by 4, 5 times it goes. Okay, so then 2020 is a leap year. So in leap year how many days will be there in 2020? Not 365, actually 366 days will be there in a leap year. So understood guys? Actually, so then further concept I'll be dealing with here, right? Okay, in a normal year, in a ordinary year, how many days will be there? 365 days will be there. Yes or no? 365 days will be there. And in 1 week, how many days will be there? There are 7 days in 1 week. So out of 365 days, how many weeks will be there? So what you need to do is 365 divided by 7. Yes or no? Say 7 5s are 35. So 7 1 times 7 5s are 35. 1 will be remaining. So 7 2s are 14. So 52 weeks. Okay, 52 weeks and 1 is remaining here. So 52 weeks plus 1 day. Yes or no? 52 weeks plus 1 day will be there in a particular year, in an ordinary year. Okay, so 365 days means one ordinary year. In that one ordinary year, how many weeks will be there? 52 weeks will be there. And plus 1 extra day. Okay, 1 extra day makes 365 days. Yes or no? Till here you understood, I guess. Okay, So then this one extra day you need to take care of here. Okay, if at all a particular year is a leap year, then what happens? So similarly 366 days will be there. Similarly 52 weeks, 52 weeks plus 2 days, because one day has been added, right, due to that leap year. 366 days will be there. So 52 weeks plus 2 days. Okay, so see, but this 2 days actually what we'll be writing here as 1 day and 2 day, we'll be taking it as odd days. Okay, we'll be naming it as odd days, odd days. So in one particular year, if at all it's a normal year, 365 days will be there. So in that 52 weeks plus one odd day. So if at all it is a leap year, then 366 days. So 52 weeks plus 2 odd day. So odd day concept you got right? Yes or no? So then see, if at all the question asks you to calculate whether 2019 is a leap year, whether 2020 or 2021 is a leap year, then it's fine. Okay, if at all you encounter the problem based upon century years, for example say 2000, okay, the last two digits are 0 here, right? So you'll be taking you cannot divide it by 4. So in that case what you will be doing is, if at all you encounter century years, then you need to divide that century year by 400. Okay, not 4, you need to divide that 4 by divided by 400. Okay, say for example, say consider 1800. This is a century year, right? So whether it goes by 400, see 0 0 cancels, 0 0 cancels, and 18 doesn't go with 4. So 1800 is not a leap year. It means 1800 is an ordinary year. Okay, similarly one more example, 1600. Okay, 1600 divided by 400, 0 0 gets cancelled, 0 0 cancels, 4 4s are 16. So 1600 is a leap year. 1600 is a leap year. Similarly 2000 divided by 400, so 2 zeros cancelled, 4 5s are 20, hence also 2000 is also a leap year. Yes or no? Till here the basic concepts are clear, I guess. Okay friends, if at all you don't understand, kindly pause the video, rewatch the video, then only you'll be getting it. Okay, so in the next page I'll be dealing with the concept of odd days. Okay, so odd days, so odd days, yes or no? So what do you mean by odd days? Actually in a year 365 days are there, so 52 weeks will be there and plus one odd day. Okay, this I told you we'll name it as one odd day. So in a leap year 366 days are there, so 52 weeks plus 2 odd days. Okay, these are odd days. So say for example in a problem, after calculating, I'll deal with how you will be calculating the problem, how you'll be solving the problem. Okay, if at all you encounter last in the solution there are 10 odd days. Okay, 10 odd days, if at all the solution comes as 10 odd days. So then what you will do is, so 10 days means, actually see here, it is nothing but 1 week plus 7 plus 8 9 10, 3 days. Okay, so 1 week will be again rounded up here. Okay, so 10 days will be having 3 odd days. Yes or no? 3 odd days. Similarly 8 days. Okay, 8 days is there, 8 days is there. So then 1 week plus 1 odd day. Yes or no? Similarly see here, actually 16 days, 16 days are there. 16 means actually 2 weeks, 2 weeks means 14 days over 14 plus 2, so 2 odd days will be there. Yes or no? So this concept you need to understand how to deal with the odd days here. Say for example it's given that 23 days as there. Okay, 23 days will be in the answer. Okay, so 23 days will be 7 3s are 21, so 21 days, that is nothing but 3 weeks plus 21 22 23, so 2 odd days. Yes or no? 2 odd days will be there here. Okay, see here, and also I'll tell you one concept here, so try to remember that. Okay, if at all there are 0 odd days, so then it will be Sunday. If at all it is 1 odd day, then it will be Monday. Okay, it goes on like this. Okay, 2 odd days are there, then it is Tuesday. 3 odd days are there, then it is Wednesday. 4 odd days are there, then it is Thursday. 5 odd days are there, then it is Friday. 6 odd days are there, then it is Saturday. 7 odd days will be not there because 7 is 1 week here. Okay, so this you need to by heart. Okay, there is no need to by heart. Only from 0 means Sunday and 6 means Saturday means you will be able to recall it. Okay, see here, in a particular year, see here, if at all in a particular year, how many odd days will be there in ordinary year? Ordinary year, actually, how many odd days will be there? 52 weeks plus 1 odd day is there. Okay, 1 means, actually, see here, it will fall on Monday. If at all it's a just concept. Okay, 1 odd day is there. Okay, so if at all there is a date given and finally you arrive at an answer 1 odd day, then it is called as Monday here. Okay, that concept you need to understand. Okay, see friends, I'll take an example and I'll solve it here. Okay, I'll take an example here. Let us calculate how many odd days will be there from 0 0 0 0 years to, okay, 0 0 20 years. If at all question comes, how many odd days will be there in between 0 0 0 years to 0 0 20 years? So let us calculate how to calculate the problem here. Okay, so 0 0 0 years to 0 0 20 years. Okay, this 20 0 0 20 years means, what we need to do is, first we need to calculate in 0 0 0 to 0 0 0 20 how many ordinary years will be there and how many leap years will be there. Okay, so how you will calculate? Actually, the end of the year is 0 0 20. Okay, so we need to divide it by 4. Okay, after dividing it by 4 1 times, and to last 2 years. Okay, last 2 digit of that particular year, so 4 5 times. Okay, so it is nothing but, actually, there are 5 leap years plus 15 ordinary years. Okay, 5 leap years will be there. This 5, how I got? 0 0 20 divided by 4, that is nothing but 20 divided by 4, that is 5 I got here. So 5 leap years, and how many total years were there? 0 0 0 0 to 0 0 20, 20 years were there. In that 20 years, if at all there are 5 leap years, then the remaining years would be ordinary year. Okay, simple, right? 5 leap years and 15 ordinary years. So in each leap year, we know that there are 2 odd days. Yes or no? In one leap year there are 2 odd days. Okay, so how many leap years are there? 5 leap years are there. So in each leap year, how many ordinary days were there? 2 ordinary days were there. Plus, so how many ordinary days? How many ordinary years? Actually, 15 ordinary years. And in each ordinary year, how many odd days we got? So 1 odd days we got. So this is nothing but 5 into 2 10 plus 15 into 1 is 15. So 10 plus 15 will be 25. Okay, so 25 odd days we got. 25 odd days we got here. Yes or no? So this can be further simplified, right? 25 odd days are there. Okay, 25. So 1 week, how many days? 7 days. Okay, 7 3 times 21, 21. Okay, so 21, so 22, 23 and 24 and 25. So 4 odd days are there. 4 extra days. Okay, so 3 weeks plus 4 odd days. 3 weeks plus 4 odd days. Yes or no? 3 weeks plus 4 odd days. So here, this 4 actually is the odd day, that concept I told you, right? So this 4 is nothing but, actually, if at all odd days are 4, then that will be Thursday. Simple, right? If at all the answer comes 4 odd days, then it is Thursday. Actually, what is the Thursday here? 31st December of 0020 will be Thursday here. Simple, right? See, one more example I'll take here in the next page. If at all question asks you to calculate between 0 to 40 years, okay, 0 to 40 years. So what you did here, this 40 we need to divide it by 4. So 4 1 times, 4 10 times. So 10 leap years will be there and 30 ordinary years will be there. So here, this is the formula here. Okay, I'll write here. So 10 leap years plus 30 ordinary years. So in each leap year 2 odd days will be there. So how many leap years? 10 into 2 plus, so how many ordinary years? 30 ordinary years. So in each ordinary year one odd day will be there. Okay, so 10 into 2 is 20 plus 30 into 1 is 30. So 30 plus 20 is 50. So 50 odd days we got. So divided by 7 sevens are 49. Okay, 49 plus 1, so 1 odd day. Yes or no? 7 sevens are 49. So that is nothing but 7 weeks plus 1 odd day. Yes or no? So 1 we got here. So what represents 1 here? That is nothing but Monday. So it is nothing but 31st December of 0040 will be Monday. Simple, right? You need to follow the steps here. Okay, we will calculate for century here now. Okay, we will calculate for century here. That is nothing but 00002 0100. How many odd days will be there and how many leap years will be there? So what we did is 000 we need to find how many leap year will be there, right? How many leap year and how many ordinary years will be there? Yes or no? So here actually I'll calculate like this. See here, actually 100 is a century year, so I'll take first 00002 0099 plus 100th year I will be taking here. Okay, I'll calculate like this to make myself myself a simpler problem here. Okay, see here 99 is there, so I'll directly divide it by 4. So 4 2 times 4 2s are 8 and 4 4s are 16. So in between 00002 0099, how many leap year will be there? 24 leap year will be there. Okay, so 24 leap years will be there. And how many ordinary years? 99 minus 24. So 9 minus 4 is 5 and 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay, so 75 ordinary years plus 24 leap years. Yes or no? Okay, so in 75 ordinary years how many odd days will be there? 1 odd day will be there. Okay, so 75 plus, so 24 leap years will be there. 24 into, in each leap year 2 odd days will be there, so 2 here. Yes or no? So 75 plus 24 into 2 is 84. 75 plus 48. Okay, so 75 plus 48 is 8 plus 5 is 13, 1 carry, 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, 123. So in between 00002 0099 years, how many odd days will be there? 123 odd days will be there here. Yes or no? See here friends, actually this century year, 100th year we had left here. Yes or no? This 100th year we had left. Okay, so this 100th year is not a leap year, right? Because it doesn't goes by 400. Okay, it's an ordinary year, so I'll take an ordinary here this year. So 123 odd days will be here, 02 odd days will be here, 02 0099 here. So plus ordinary year is how much? 1 ordinary year. So in 1 ordinary year how many odd days will be there? 1 odd day will be there. So 123 plus 1, that will be 124 odd days will be there in between 00002 0100 years. How many odd days will be there? 124 odd days will be there. So if at all we divide this 124 divided by 7, okay, it goes 7 1 times and 7 times. Okay, plus 5 will be there. Okay, so it is nothing but 17 weeks plus 5 odd days. Yes or no? 17 weeks plus 5 odd days. So this 5 is the answer here. So 5 means actually Friday here. Okay, 5 means Friday. So 31st December of 00100 is Friday. This is simple, guys. Okay, so this calculation, see here, guys, actually from 00002 0100. So for first century 5 odd days we got here. This you need to remember. For 100 century year, so we got how many odd days? 5 odd days in total we got here. Okay, see here, for 100 years we got 5 odd days. Okay, that is 0 to 100 years, 5 odd days are there. So it's nothing but from 100 to 200 years, another 5 odd days will be there. Yes or no? So 5 plus 5 will be 10 here. So this 10 can be written as 7 plus 3, because 7 means 1 week, 1 week plus 3 odd days. Yes or no? So it's nothing but 0 to 200 years, how many odd days will be there? 3 odd days will be there. Okay, similarly from 200 to 300, so 5 odd days will be there. Yes or no? Similarly, so 5 plus 3, 8. So it's nothing but 1 week plus 1 extra day. So it's nothing but 0 to 300 year, how many odd days will be there? 1 odd day will be there. Similar, right? So similarly from 300 to 400, okay, will there be actually 5 odd days? Actually no, actually this that will be wrong, because 400 is a leap year here, because 400 divided by 400, it goes by 1, right? So this 400 is a leap year. This 400 is a leap year. So 1 leap year means actually 1 extra day. Okay, see here. So what we need to calculate is how many odd days will be there between 00000 to 0400. Okay, 0400. Okay, how many century years are there? There are 4 century years. So in each century year, how many odd days we got here? So 5 odd days in each century. So 5 into 4, that will be 20. And in this 400 leap year, actually 1 day extra will be there. So plus 1 day. In leap year, 1 day extra will be there. So that is nothing but 21 odd days will be there. Odd days will be there. And if at all we take it over by 7 3 times, right? So obviously that is 3 weeks. 3 weeks plus 0 odd day. 0 odd days. 3 weeks plus 0 odd day. It's nothing but actually from 00000 to 0400, there are 3 weeks extra. There are 3 weeks extra plus 0 odd days. 0 odd days. So it is nothing but actually 31st December of 0400 lies on Sunday. Got it? So from 00000 to 0400, for every 400 years we are getting 0 odd days. Yes or no? Similarly, see here, what happens is, if at all question asks you to find 1200th year, okay, how many odd days will be there in 1200 year? Yes or no? If at all question asks you to find how many odd days will be there in 1200 years, so we know that, see, for every 400 years there are 0 odd days. Okay, so 12 is the multiple of 4 into 3 times. Okay, so it's nothing but 1200 will be having 0 odd day. 0 odd day. If at all question asks you to find 700th year, okay, 0700 year, how many odd days will be there? So 0 to 400 we will be having 0 odd days. Okay, after 400, 300 extra are there. Yes or no? We calculated above here, right? See, 300 I'll calculate it here, I guess. 0 to 100 and 100 to 200. Okay, and 200 to 300. So 0 to 300 means actually 1 odd day. See here guys, actually we have calculated earlier here. 0 to 300 means actually one odd day will be there here. Yes or no? So similarly here, see 0 to 400 0 odd days, and 300 years one odd day will be there here. So it's nothing but 0 to 700 means actually one odd day will be there. One odd day. Yes or no? So 1 means actually that is Monday. Simple, right? Yes or no? Very much simple. Okay. See friends, till here we calculated in a particular year or in a century year how many odd days will be there. Okay. So in the next page I'll be dealing with per month. Okay, how many odd days will be there per month. I'll write a table that you need to memorize to quickly solve the problems here. Okay. So how many months are there? Actually there are 12 months. Okay, there are 12 months. They are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. See, there are 12 months here. Okay. So in January, how many days will be there in January? In January there are 31 days. Okay. So 31 divided by 7, how many weeks will be there? Actually 4 weeks plus 3 odd day. Yes or no? In February there are two possibilities. Okay. In February it can be a leap year or it can be a ordinary year. Okay, if at all it's an ordinary year, how many days will be there? 28 days will be there. Okay, if at all we divide it by 7, it goes by 4, right? So 4 weeks plus 0 odd days. If at all that year is a particular year is a leap year, then 29 days will be there. Then divided by 7, that will be 4 weeks plus 1 odd day. Actually this odd day, in a leap year there will be odd day 2, right? So in one this odd day will be added here. Okay, so March, how many days will be there? 31 days will be there. So 3 odd days. So April, 30 days will be there. So this 30 divided by 7 will be 7 4s are 28. So 4 weeks plus 2 odd day. May, 31 days will be there. 31 days means 3 odd days. June, 30 days will be there. 30 days means 2 odd days. July, 31 days will be there. 31 days means 3 odd days. August, 31 days will be there. So then 3 odd days. September, actually 30 days will be there. So 30 days means 2 odd days. October, 31 days. So 3 odd days. November, 30 days. So 2 odd days. And December, 31 days will be there. So 31 days means 3 odd days. Okay. So this particular table you need to memorize for your faster calculation in the problems here. Okay. See here friends, actually I'll take an example and I'll explain how to approach or how to solve the problem here. Okay, if at all question asks to find which day is 12th February 1941. So which day is 12th February 1941? Okay, see here, we should come backwards here. Okay, so first I'll take 1941. So this can be splitted as 1600 plus 1600, 17, 18, 19. So 300 years. So how till where we arrived here? Then 300 years means 1600 and 300 means 16, 17, 18, 19. So 1900 years we got here. Yes or no? And 1600 plus 300 is 1900 years. So 1941 is there, right? So plus 40 year. Okay, plus 40 years will be there. And this 1941 is there. So 41st year till February 12th. Yes or no? Till February 12th. That means actually Jan full month plus February till 12th. So like this you need to split so that writing becomes easier for you, and you'll make there will be a less chances of making any mistakes here. Okay, so 12th February 1941 we can be splitted like this here. Okay, so for 1600 we got, right, 0 odd days. For 1600 we got 0 odd days here. So for 300, how many odd days? Actually in previous problem we calculated for 300 1 odd day will be there, so plus 1 odd day. So for 40 years we need to calculate it, right? So 40 divided by 4 we will do. 4 means 4 1 times and 4 10 times. So in particular 40 years there will be 30 ordinary year and 10 leap year and January month, so till February 12th. Got it, guys? How I wrote it? Okay, if at all you don't follow, kindly pause the video and rewind it, and then watch it. Okay, so here 0 plus 1 plus, so 30 ordinary years. So in each ordinary year how many odd days will be there? Actually 1 odd day will be there. Okay, so 30 into 1 is 30 plus, in leap year 2 odd days will be there. So how many leap years are there? 10. 10 into 2 is 20. Okay, so plus January, how many month will be there? Actually in January 31 days will be there. Yes or no? January 31 days plus February 12 days. See friends, actually this can also be reduced here, right? So 31 days instead of writing 31 days, so for 31 days how many odd days will be there? 3 odd days will be there. So till February 12th. Okay, see here 0 plus 1 plus 30 plus 20 is 50, so plus 50 plus 3 plus 12. So this is the answer here. Okay, so 50 53 50 plus 62, 62 plus 3 is 55, 65 plus, so 66 odd days will be there. 66 odd days we got here. Okay, 66 divided by 7 we need to do here. 66 divided by 7, so 7 nines are 63. Okay, 7 nines are 63, it is nothing but 9 weeks plus 63. So to arrive to 66, 3 odd days are there, so 3 odd days. Yes or no? 9 week means 0 will be getting, 3 odd days are there. So 3 means actually what? 3 means actually Wednesday. So simple, right? So which day is 12th February 1941? Actually it is Wednesday. Simple, right? So these are the steps what you need to take care of before solving the problem here. Okay guys? Okay friends, I'll take one more example in the next page and I'll wind up this class. Okay, so if at all the question asks which day was the week, or which day of the week was 2nd May 1921. Okay, from right side you should be coming 1921. So how this 1921 can be written? So 2nd May 1921. Okay, this can be written as 1600. Okay, 1600 plus 300. 16 plus 3 is 1900. So 19 we got here. So plus 20 years. So plus, in that 21st year, January is there, plus February is there, plus March is there, March, April, and till 2nd May. Okay, before that what you need to do is this 1921, whether it is a leap year or not, you need to calculate. Okay, whether it is a leap year or not. So in what we need to do is take last 2 digits, 21 divided by 4. Whether it goes? No, it doesn't goes. Hence it is not a leap year. Okay, if at all leap year is there, here this one extra day we need to add it here. Okay, so here for 1600 how many odd days will be there? For 1600 0 odd days will be there. So for this 300 how many odd days? 1 odd day will be there. So for this 20 divided by 4, so 4 into 5 times. So bracket here, in that particular 20 years how many ordinaries will be? Ordinary year 15 ordinary year plus 5 leap year. 5 leap year plus in January there are 3 odd days, and February actually it is not a leap year, so February 0 days. So plus March is again 3, so March again, so then April 2, then April over, so till 2nd May, right? So then 2 days. Yes or no? 2 days. This we need to add up here. Okay, 15 ordinary days means 15 here, and 5 leap year means each leap year 2 ordinary days, so 10 here. Okay, so 0 plus 1 plus 15 plus 10 plus 3 3 2 2, so 6 plus 4 is 10 here. Okay, so what is the total addition? 10 plus 10 20, so 35 36. Okay, so 36 is the total addition here. Okay, when we divide this 36 by 7, 7 5s are 35. Okay, 7 5 weeks plus 1 odd day, so this 1 is come here, so 1 means actually Monday. Simple, right? So what is the question? Which day of the week was 2nd May 1921? So 2nd May 1921 will be Monday. Okay, simple, right? So what I request you people is, you need to solve more problems based upon this calendars, then only the proficiency or twisted level problems you will be able to answer in a very easy way. Okay guys, these basic concepts you need to remember what I have discussed in this particular video. So this is it for this video guys. Thank you for staying such long. If at all you find this video informative, kindly do like and comment in the comment section. Also subscribe to our AKKA IAS Academy channel. God bless you all. We shall catch up in the next video, where I'll discuss few of the problems based upon calendars and few problems based upon directions, as well as reading comprehension. So thank you guys. God bless you all. We shall catch up in the next video.